I think it's a unique course in that it's established for 15 years, number one. Secondly, it is really aimed not just at people who have experience, but people who want to start to learn how to do rhinoplasty. And there are not that many courses out there who are teaching the basics in a way. So what's quite interesting is the participants, quite a few of them are experienced surgeons, world-class surgeons, but quite a few have never even done a dissection of a nose before. So it's really good. There's the cadaver dissections, there's the lectures, the interactive talking, all the social interaction. It's just lovely. The modern rhinoplasty surgeon is not necessarily two things. They are not necessarily one specific speciality, but also they're not this little ivory tower anymore, because the world has changed. There's information available everywhere. There's now rhinoplasty podcasts, there's international meetings, there's YouTube, etc. So it's time that we, as specialists across the board, maxillofacial surgeons, otolaryngologists, plastic surgeons, learn from each other, because ultimately it's about the patient. How can we best give the patient the best results? And by learning from colleagues, that's the way to do it. The biggest challenge in the field is to not get swept up with the latest and greatest social media in changes, because yes, we are continually evolving, but if you're living just for the evolving things and you forgot about the foundations of learning the nasal anatomy and surgical techniques, it's really difficult. So preservation rhinoplasty has this new resurgence after 100 years, and now suddenly everyone seems to think that that is the answer. It is part of the answer. So I think the biggest challenge is to remain relevant, but do not at the same time just be obsessed with only following the latest trends.